Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create a variant sale order using a BAPI in transaction SE37. So before that, let us try to create a manual variant sale order. So I'm currently in T code VA01. So I'm giving the order type, customer, selecting the sales area, customer reference and date, payment terms, material, and the order quantity. Since I enter the order quantity, material, and also the client has been automatically derived from the material master. So you can see a pop-up has appeared to select the variant values, characteristic value. Okay. So I've maintained the characteristics values. So I'm going to edit my completion log. Document is complete. Item conditions, you can see the value VA0 has been derived, the value for carbon fiber has been determined, and value for DDB has also been determined. So it sales order. So we are able to create the sales order manually. So let us try to create the same using BAPI. So I'm going to the transaction SE37. So this is the BAPI with the BAPI underscore sales order underscore create from DAT. So in the order header INX document type, the provided document type, the sales organization, and then Incoterms. Incoterms, let me try with CFR. We'll maintain the Incoterms to SC, payment terms 202. Next, I will go to the INX of header INX. Here I'm providing the document type. Wherever I've given the inputs, I'll just pass in the values as X. The document type, sales organization, distribution channel, division, then the import terms to one, payment terms. Now I'm going to the order items underscore IN. My item number, then the material 20892, client, supplying client is 7001, storage location is not mandatory, so I'm entering the order quantity as 10, unit of measure as kg. Go back. Now in the order underscore items underscore INX. Item number would be 10. Update flag. I'm trying to insert the item, so I'll enter I. Then material as X. Client as X. storage location is according to storage location, the target quantity in the sales unit. Go to the partners now. So to put here, the partner will be SP and the customer number. Partner number 5000. Now schedules underscore INX. Item number will be 10. Target quantity as 10. Orders underscore schedule lines. Schedules underscore INX. Okay. Here the item number would be as we have given earlier, and then required quantity will be X. Going to the conditions, item number would be 10, condition type PR00, 123, currency is INR, kg, per unit will be we'll just update the X values in the INX. Item number 10, condition type is PR00, condition value, currency, condition unit, and condition per unit values are seen to the so now should be the order underscore CFGS underscore REF. Here the most important field will be the process. Process is 10. You can give any number like config as 1, root ID as also. So if you have multiple line items, then go for the process as 20, config as 2, root ID as ending is 2. Symbolize. So this process we will add in the order items INX. Okay. So we have this PO number. So this is the link between the other parameter what I've just shown. Okay. Then back in items INX against the POS PO item number, I will pass in as X. Now next is the order underscore CFGs underscore instance. The config ID what we have just passed for the first line item. Instance ID. Now whatever the material we are passing in 20892, that material type we have to pass in here FERT. The class variant class we have used is 300, and the material object key will be the material 3089. Also we have to find the unit for this quantity unit, which is each. In item, I believe we have provided kg, so we'll just change it to BA. So next will be the order underscore CFGS underscore value. So the config ID, what we have just passed in the against the POSIX, the instance ID, characteristic value. So for the characteristic value, I will just open the class CL03 800. So the frame and the value against it. What would be the value? PF. I will pass in a CF. Okay. So let me show this when I'm getting this. I will add one more line because we have two characteristics for each material. So based on number of characteristics, we have to add in multiple number of lines. Going to the class, copy from here, paste in the characteristic. Now for the values, let me open the sale order. Okay, so for a break, Z break, we have TDB, RB, and STB. So let me take STB. Okay, STB. And for frame, we have CF or EF. We'll copy the characteristic value, not the description. Okay, I'm copying the characteristics value and I'll pass in against the frame. Go back. First, let me save this. You see, test execute. Okay, I'm getting a sale order number here, and the result you can see there is no error. So there is just a warning message which is not received. So the number will not be yet visible in the table or in VS03. For that we need to commit the BAPI. So I will go back to the initial screen to investigate pattern 7. From the function module menu, we can execute select the test sequence. Now I will use the BAPI creation, sale order creation BAPI and the commit BAPI. So it will first execute the creation BAPI and then the commit. So I have saved my data as a test data directory. Click in here, select the variant what we have saved for today, then execute. So you got a sale order number. Just click on back. In the wait parameter, pass in X, then execute. Now I will open the sale order V0. 395 was the order we had created. Click on enter. Item overview. Here you can see the material number 20895. Order quantity as 10. Configuration values carbon fiber and STP what we had selected. Okay. For F you will see that STP has been selected. And in the carbon fiber, we have selected CF. The frame is CF. The variant condition key or the pricing variant is not required to pass in the BAPI. It would automatically determine. Now let us check the pricing item conditions. Okay, so it has VA0, VA00 has been determined for the carbon fiber as 4900 and STB single disc brake as 999. Okay, so just check the PK checking for it. VA00 condition information. Execute. As for variant AF, it is 2999, but we have selected CF. Right? So CF, it is 4999. CF 4999, and single disc brake is triple. If we change to RV, it will be 190. So hope this was helpful to everyone. Thank you for watching.